Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a fully working method to get the ChatGPT business subscription for absolutely free. This isn't just the standard Plus plan. This is the business tier, which gives you higher limits and faster speeds. To start, I am using a temporary email service. I highly recommend creating a fresh account for this method to work smoothly. I'll just copy this email address and head over to the ChatGPT sign-up page. Here I am pasting the email and setting up a strong password. You can do this on your mobile or PC. The process is exactly the same. Now, I'll just quickly verify the email from my inbox. Once verified, it will ask for some basic details. I'm just entering a random name here. Okay, we are inside the free account now. Usually, people click on Upgrade to Plus on the left side, but we are not going to do that. Instead, look for the Business or Team Upgrade option. Here is the trick. Do not select the Plus plan for individuals. Look at the Business plan on the right. You will see a special offer saying, Try for free for 1 month. Notice the total amount due. It says 0 rupees. This confirms that we will not be charged anything today. Now we are at the checkout page. Since this offer is active in the Indian region, I'm using a random Indian address from Google Maps. I am pasting the address here. You can use any valid Indian PIN code. For the card, I am using one that supports international usage for verification. Remember, no money will be deducted. This is just to verify you are human. I have clicked subscribe, and now the processing begins. Please pay attention here. This screen might take a while to load. Do not close the window. It is verifying the trial eligibility. Just be patient and let it load. And boom, there you go. Payment successful. We have successfully cracked the ChatGPT business subscription for free. Now create your workspace. I'm just typing a random team name here. Here it asks to invite members. You can add your friends' emails to share this free premium access or skip it. It might ask to connect Google Drive. I'll just click Maybe Later for now. And here we are. You can see the logo says ChatGPT 4. We have full access to DALL-E 3 and data analysis. So guys, this method is 100% working. Go try it out right now. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.